on, guys, is this an adventure or what? Oh, there's so many.
Another one gone.
Mini golfing.
Wow. Nice try.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Troy. Today we are going bowling.
Good thing you got those bumpers. Not bad. We got Grandma with us. Where'd Crew go? Crew's looking for a ball. Can he pick it up? Let's see it. Maybe, maybe. Let's see it, Amanda. Could be. Oh, close. Are you gonna bowl? Let's see your skills. Do you need help?
2 times.
Okay.
Dad,
Let's see what you got, bro.
I don't want that.
You want to just roll it? You can move up.
I actually want it.
Whoa! You punched it. It's going down the middle. It's not too bad. Uh-oh, going off to the side a little. You got one, though. That's a start. Why don't you try to just roll it without this thing? Show me your muscles. There you go. I'll give it a good roll. Good job. If you get a good bounce here, it might make it to the middle. Maybe a little too much.
Don't stop. Nope, nope, nope.
You're not supposed to go on there. They clean this and polish this and make it real nice. It's not for people to step on. It's just for the ball.
I got all of them.
Good job. You got your
Maybe you can 3D print your bowling ball for next time.
We gotta do a video on that.
Don't mind me.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
That was actually
Not this time.
Dad, another one.
I get another try? Well, that's great news. Picked it up, baby. Let's see those muscles, dude. See, you're gonna fall. Slippery. Oh, see how you did? Up, up, up. Little bounce. Good job. All right. Good job. Which one are you gonna go with? You got so many choices now. That one?
Dad, I need the way up.
Skills, bro. Come on. Oh. You missed one. You missed one. Uh-oh. Ooh, you got 2. Not bad. What's your strategy here, Amanda?
I don't have the right ball. I'm just throwing it off. I'm in my pattern. I don't like this. I'll say to you.
Good luck. A lot of power there. A lot of power. Just a little misdirection. Why are you so crazy? better. You get a good bounce here, and you might be all right. You did it. That's gonna take a long time, bro. Story of a slowly rolling bowling ball sent down by Crew Jackson Wright. You can do it, Mandy. Come on, pick it up. Not bad. It's very rare that I bowl like over 200. I'm not a pro bowler or anything.
Is that the best one ever?
Probably pretty close. I might have done slightly better one time. Ooh. How many tries did you get with that? It made it harder, bro. Who are you gonna give this to if you get it? Oh.
It's in the best spot of my life.
Possible. It's possible.
Yes.
Got it. Look at the big superstar.
Oh yeah.
All right. Give it a good push so it doesn't just roll so slowly. All right, it's going to the middle. Going to the middle. Whoa, that was pretty good. Did you get it? Okay, here you go. Get another one. Maybe the panda head. Ooh, it slipped out. What do you got, crew?
I got 4 duckies.
4
I
duckies.
grabbed it and then I moved it into
Let's see it, Troy. Let's see these epic skills. He's got to make sure the hook doesn't go around the glass. Oh,
I was trying to
man.
like swing it around.
You're good? Are you having a good time? Anything you want to tell your YouTubers? What's it feel like to be at 200K? Are you embarrassed right now because people are looking at you?
No, I gotta make a video.
Okay.
3D printer video coming.
Oh, yeah.
You put it right here.
The Elvis game. I don't have any money, crew.
I shot. There's a hole right there, so I shot it up.
See you, bro. Oh, wow. One more time. For the game winner. Troy loses the game.
Oh my gosh, we even have a green